Starting with the big story, heart trending. Waves rented the air in the St. Mulumba zone in Mayuge Town Council yesterday morning as a missing girl of 7 was found in a pond. Zahara Namalondo, a bubbly of 7-year-old, adored by the village, laid dead in their wake, with the signs of rape adding to the grief in the village. The body of the top class pupil at Kanani Nursery and Primary School was found in a pond after she went missing on Sunday evening. According to Adija Kantonom, a resident of Bitamisi Nasira, a mother had sent her daughter to fetch water at around 6:30 p.m., but she never returned. A search party was formed and announcements were made to the entire village, but she could not be found at the time. A report was later made at Mayuge police station and the search operation was launched immediately. The police, led by District Police Commander Irene Acheng, recovered the body in a pond near Mandela National Primary School in Budeba, a neighboring village, and took it to Mayuge Health Center for post-mortem examination. The police have launched an investigation into the matter, and the community is waiting with bated breath for the perpetrators to be brought to book. The death toll in the Sunday's taxi fire has risen to 3 following the passing away of another victim at Jinja Regional Referral Hospital. Miss Angela Nafuna succumbed to deep wounds she sustained from the Boric Inferno last night. Chira Regional Police spokesperson James Simobi said police is yet to get names of the 2 people who were burnt beyond recognition on the spot. He revealed that police has embarked on an investigation to ascertain the cause of this fire accident. At the scene of this accident remains condoned of amid tight security by police. Chira Regional Police spokesperson Police Commander Charleston Samba also visited the scene yesterday morning. The Sunday incident happened at around 4:30 p.m. when a Mbale-bound commuter taxi caught fire at Cliff East Road, a few meters from Jinja Tax Park. Police and community members managed to extinguish the fire, but the damages were already huge. Scores sustained serious injuries and were admitted at Jinja Regional Referral Hospital, where they are receiving treatment. By press time, Jinja Hospital management was non-committal to make statement on the matter on a number of people admitted at their facility, citing ethical grounds of not revealing identities of their clients without consent. Miss Diana Museveni Chalemira, a daughter of President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, has been named as a new patron of Ngamba Island chimpanzee sanctuary, replacing her mother. First Lady Janet Museveni had been the patron of the sanctuary since the inception in 1999. Diana was unveiled as the new patron during the commemoration of the World Chimpanzee Day at the sanctuary on Sunday. She expressed a commitment to working with the leadership of Ngamba Island to conserve the chimpanzees. Diana called for collective efforts among the public in conserving wildlife and ensuring that their habitats are protected from encroachers. Currently, the sanctuary cares for at least 54 chimpanzees, and the tourist sector contributes 7.6% of the country's GDP and 6.7% of the employment. At the same event, Diana applauded the conservationists for their dedication to study and protect the wildlife while at the sanctuary. In a significant development, the Uganda police in Kagadi have apprehended 5 suspects accused of extortion related to the parish development model program. Among those arrested is Tadeo Tuonjere and the Kamaira Parish Chief of Rutete Sub-County, along with Herbert Byabesheja, Innocent Byaruhanga, Noerin Kabasinguzi, and Agatha Tumukunde, all leaders associated with various PDM groups in the same area. According to Obedi Ambichize, the Assistant Resident District Commissioner for Kagadi, The arrests were prompted by numerous complaints from the public. The suspects alleged extorted between 100,000 to 400,000 Ugandan shillings from each individual seeking to benefit from the PDM program. Upon their arrest, security forces recovered a total of 2,670,000 Ugandan shillings believed to have been collected unlawfully from the victim. And Obedi Ambichize explains this.
Omuruka gwa Kamaira Rutete kandi twashangayo bazima abantu bine nako kushanga ngo bachairman basako babiri bashorereze sente nyingi muno twabasa kwandi tukurikavaringa miliyoni 2.6 kandi twakwata abantu batano twakwasize polisi kora investigation zamara kuba tushazire mu bintu kubani batwagwa mu koti kabani bo yarebe kikubakorera abantu bakagari district twenda kubaterera ngo sente za PDM nezabusha shubire twasharamu security za kwetorora district yona buri muruka kureba ngo umuruka gwe no buraza tuza sente aba beneficiary twine kubanza twagurabamo twagushujuma nabo echo uri kumanya wena ngo abiri yahira abantu sente kandushaba byankazi bagarurira.
Ambichize affirmed, indicating the necessity of the arrest following the widespread grievances reported to his office. Ambichize further called upon local leaders to collaborate closely with the security forces, providing crucial information to root out individuals engaged in such illegal activities. And Ronald and Obedi Ambichize throws more light.
Office ya RDC ninterera abantu ba Kagadi district ngo bareke kutera hasi government ya NRM aboko program ya NRM nabo cyo twintu kwataniza hamwe bachairman LC1 zabari hasokwe LC2 LC3 no mukura turwanyo bareke twatanize na security kureba ngo twayombeka government age.
Following investigations, the suspects will face charges of extortion in court, as confirmed by Ambichize. You're still listening to 98.0 Britop FM radio on your radio set, and those watching and listening from our YouTube channel is Britop FM 98.0. Those getting us on Facebook is 98.0 Britop FM, as well as Twitter, called it X, and those getting us on Instagram and TikTok is Britop FM radio, broadcasting the heart of Chegegwa at Britop Kalina building on the international scene. Several people have been killed after a car bomb exploded outside the popular cave packed with football fans in the Somalis capital, Mogadishu. The bomb went off on Sunday's night at around around 28 minutes past 10 local time, as the patrons at the Top Coffee were watching the Euro 2024 football final between Spain and England. Police said at least 5 were killed in the explosion and 20 more injured. Security sources later said the death toll has risen to 9. Jihadist group Al-Shabab said it carried out the attack. The restaurant had been full with some on the pavement outside as the bomb went off, sending people screaming for safety, witnesses said. Mohammed Mose, one of the survivors, said everyone had to figure out how to save themselves. Another witness said some people in the cafe were able to escape by climbing up ladders at the back and jumping over the wall. Sunday's explosion also destroyed a number of cars and damaged several buildings. Al-Shabab, part of the Al-Qaeda group, reportedly said it was targeting a place where security and the government workers meet at night. And of our news on this lovely morning, and program Tuimuke still continues with the two radio generals. Keep following us on our Facebook, 98.0 Britop FM, as well as Twitter, call it X, and Britop FM Radio on Instagram and TikTok, and those getting us on www.britopfm.com. Keep watching, and those getting us on Britop FM YouTube channel, 98.0 Britop FM Radio. You're doing great. Subscribe, like, comment, and share to the rest of the world. We move to a digital world. Good morning.
That was the news in English on 98.0 Britop FM.
Kidamuna na katonye katonyeze zero. Britop FM tukusanyusa sawa ku sawa. Obuyimba obukunyumira obukumalako stress. Ebiva mu ggwanga byonna tubikuletera n'obifuna mu makaago. Amawulire amasunsule. Ebyemizannyo, ebiyigiriza, ebisanyusa byonna ng'obisanga wano ku Britop FM wano Kyegegwa. Okwetooloola ensi yonna, abakadde, abavubuka, abakyala, abaami, basenga, bakojja, bajjajja, bataata, abaana b'amasomero, abayimbi, bannabyabufuzi bonna bawuliriza 98.0 Britop FM nga tusinzira wano mu kibuga Kyegegwa.